So in order to clean the under the hood space, actually what we need to do is to remove the battery from here. Then we need to cover up the computer over here, close the intake from intake air over here, cover the alternator over here, and yeah, I guess that's it. Then we can apply this thing to whole space, and just using some brush clean it off, and using the microfiber clean this thing down. And two important things. First, you need to do this on the cold engine, like when you are able to put your hands over here. If it's hot, this chemical thing will just get I mean, it will not clean it, and it will make some. You will not be able to remove the rest of this chemical thing from your engine. And also you need to wait like 15 minutes to make this chemical thing to work. That's it.